Hey guys, this is Mr. Sal. Looks like we're going to be solving this equation, which is kind of in the form of a quadratic. Thanks for watching. We did have a whole section devoted to this type of problem, so we can expect to see it on the exam, right? I'm just going to say that I'm going to let u be that negative 5x minus 5, just to make it a little bit more familiar. You can see in the parentheses. And the reason is because this one has a coefficient, an exponent of 1, and this one over here has an exponent of 2. It's just double the exponent, right? Which means that if I did u squared, then I would have negative 5x minus 5. But we're going to square that action right there, okay? So we end up with 15 u squared plus 11, and that was multiplied by the negative 5x minus 5 also. So it's just u though. And then plus 2, this equals 0. There's two ways you can go about this. You can factor, or you can use the quadratic formula. Alright, factoring, I got 15 times 2, which is 30. And I need two factors of 30 to add up to 11. I'm looking at 6 and 5. So let's go ahead and split that 11u up into 6u and a positive 5u. So this is factoring by grouping. From here I can factor out from both of those, looks like a 3u. So I end up with 5u plus 2. And then the 5u plus 2, I'll just factor out a 1 out of that, which again leaves me with 5u plus 2. So I can factor out, just from there, the 5u plus 2, but then I'm also left with 3u plus 1. And this equals 0, from up here. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to replace all the u's with the negative 5x minus 5. So we made the substitution back into the factored form right there. And from here we're going to have to distribute not only the 5, but also the 3 into the parentheses. And from here I'll combine like terms. And these equal 0. Now that we've got these simplified pretty much as far as we can take them, we just need each of them to equal 0, kind of separately though, right? So in other words, if I can get the 25x plus 23, sorry, that should be minus 23. I did it again. Minus 23. If I could get that to equal 0, then I would have a true statement. So solving this, I would add 23 to both sides. And I got negative 25x equals 23. Divide both sides by 25. Negative 25. And I got x is negative 23 25ths. And that's one of my answers. Of course, you should check that in the original problem, starting from the top up here. But also, if I could get that negative 15x minus 14, if I could get that to equal 0, then it would also, and still give me a true statement. So solving this one, so there's my second answer on that one. And again, you should go back and check that. Just plug it into your calculator real quick, and it'll spit out the answer for you. Alright, again, thanks for watching. I hope that helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and make a comment below. We'll see you guys in the next one.